How to get the Zoologist in Terraria. So open your bestiary and it fills in automatically as you discover and kill critters and enemies across your world. So you need to hit a certain completion percentage before she becomes available to move in. Keep exploring different biomes as you play since critters and enemies vary a lot by area. So once you've filled in enough of the bestiary, she now will be unlocked, but only if you have a valid and empty house. So here I'm currently at my base, and for you to check if you have a valid or empty house, just click on escape, go to the housing icon right here, and you will see all of the open housings or available housings right there. So the ones with icons right there or like this, it means someone is currently living there, so it cannot be occupied. But for the ones right here that are empty, just click on the housing query icon, then click on the house that you want to use, and it says this housing is suitable. So it means that it's basically ready for occupancy, and you just simply need to wait for the bestiary NPC to arrive. So just a quick tip, build an extra NPC room early on, well before you even unlock her, so she can move in the instant that she's ready instead of you scrambling to build housing. And that's how you basically get the Zoologist in Terraria.